Handsome. He's a boy. He's a Rupert. He's a Rupert. He's Rupert. He's Rupert. He's so cute. He's Rupert. Throw some water in there. 1 second. Give me 1 second, buddy. You want to go to bed? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Need some water? Bye-bye, buddy.
Good morning! Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Erica Jane. I like to make a ton of random videos. Anything from homemaking, natural recipes, renovations. Really, anything I am interested in or doing at the time, I will probably make a video on. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you stick around. Maybe even hit that like and subscribe button, and we will jump right in to today. So I'm going to clip this on so it's a bit more consistent. Alright, so it is Wednesday morning. We are starting a bit slow. It's kind of 10, a little bit after 10. I'm feeling tired. Definitely almost into my menstrual phase, not yet, but in the luteal phase, which is always a little bit lower key. So trying to lean into that a bit more. I shaped my sourdough loaves this morning, so now I'm heating up the oven and I'm going to bake one of those off. And then I think right now I'm just going to do put away the dishes, do some minor cleaning around here, and then I kind of want to make macaroons for the market because they freeze really well, and I know by the time I get to next week I'm going to be very overwhelmed. So having those, which are kind of intimidating, already done and set aside might be helpful. And then the everything bagel spice mix, I should be able to make that by tomorrow. I'm really hoping. The one batch of supplies is at the post office now, and then the other one is in Halifax as of yesterday, so it should be here. It was weird because they were both at Halifax at the same time, and then one got on the truck and one didn't. So I think I'm just waiting for that. I'm hoping it'll be here Thursday, and then I can make up the spice mixes this week, rest a bit this weekend ideally, and then get back into it on Monday. Now, this week we have a few things to kind of figure out. So we're going to replace the toilet at some point over the next couple days, I think Friday. We need to get water from the spring, just use the last of our drinking water in the Berkey. So we'll probably do that tomorrow, because I got some caps as well off Amazon for those big gallon jugs. So I think we're going to fill those and then put caps on them. Tomorrow. I think today is just going to be kind of a house day, not leaving the house, not leave, go outside, but not going into town. It's going to be 19 degrees Celsius today, so that's warm. So we sit outside, try and get some sun, just lay in the sun for a bit. That sounds pretty nice. So I think I will try and do that. Do some baking here this morning. I'm definitely going to get my period. I'm feeling very hot and whew, which is usually the beginning stages. So we'll do what we can, not force it. Maybe I won't make the macaroons. I don't know. We'll play it by ear. Let's do these dishes. Yeah, so a bunch of clean dishes to put away, and then not a ton of dirty dishes, just those. It's that too. My cutting board too. Now I'll wipe the counters down, and then we have the cast iron in there heating up. And then I'll get the loaves out. That's up there. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Bassin. Hi, buddy. It's okay.
Just a little loaf. Boop. Funny because Donor got me a bread lame for my birthday. I don't know how to attach the blade to the handles. Like there's these two things, and I have no idea how to like get this on here. So we'll figure that out at some point. But I'm just using a blade. Thanks. All right, got dressed. Fun little skirt I got at Value Village. It's so fun. It's so pink and it's like has full set of shorts underneath, which I love. So in my comfy, cute outfit for this warm day, we're gonna go get some water at lunch and stop at the post office because both packages did end up getting delivered. So that means that we can maybe start on the everything bagel spice mixes this afternoon. So that'll be great. Can get through that, and then I'll save the macaroons for maybe like tomorrow or another day. So that is what I'm going to do this afternoon. I'm going to go feed the cats lunch. You can probably hear Topaz screaming. So we'll do that and come back. Decided I would let Topaz out when I was getting lunch to see what they would do. No one hissed, but made a few like noises, but they were all good. Got their food. They're happily eating. This is a good way of doing it because then they associate good things with each other.
Do it, Bessie.
All right, we're gonna head out and grab some water and get to the mill. You can't. And I just poured that whole jug. Perfect. your dress. Spices. All right, hello. We're back. Successful trip. Both packages were at the post office, and they had the lids, so we were able to refill the big jugs and actually seal them. Now, do a little unboxing of some baking stuff we got. Some gloves. These would be for when we're serving at the markets, just for like ease, because we're not going to really be able to like keep washing our hands back and forth. So we'll just bring this box of gloves, and then, ooh yeah, sesame seeds. That's going to be for the everything bagel mix and sesame seed bagels. I got sea salt. I got 3 of those. Same thing for the everything bagel mix. That. Sea salt. We got, these are black sesame seeds. Same. And poppy seeds. So that. And little chocolate wafers for like melting, chocolate ganache and stuff. They're semi-sweet. Then last one for this box is some wax paper, just for like putting in the macaroon boxes, putting in cookie boxes and stuff like that. Yeah, cute, fun colors. So we got that. Then it was all the same order, but I think it's gonna wait probably. Beautiful. And mini chocolate chips for muffins and things. Another mini chocolate chips. I feel like the flour might have leaked or something. Go. Yeah, and then this is, I'm excited about this. It's not like bread flour, but it's Baker's Blend. 60-40 blend of white flour and whole grain sprouted wheat, spelt, and rye flour. And using this mix for bread will provide great rise, stability, whole grain nutrition, and flavor. So it's also perfect for muffins, buns, pizza, cinnamon rolls, and quick breads. So I'm using this one specifically for cinnamon rolls and potentially our English muffins, depending on how many I make. So I got 4 kilograms of that, and then mini chocolate chips. And then these are for our everything bagel spice mixes as well. So I have organic onion minced, and then more organic onion minced. And this should be garlic. Yeah, organic garlic. Minced and organic garlic. Beautiful. All right. That is the haul. We can make our money back. Yeah.
Okay, hello. We are back. I think we're going to try and get these spice mixes all assembled. So I'm just going to be writing here on the side the recipe. And it's kind of light to weigh, so I think I'm just going to do by tablespoons. That might bite me in the butt later because we will have to convert it. So I just don't know if my scale will pick up, like especially the poppy seeds because they're very light. Oops. All right, so it is now like past 5 o'clock. Finished up with the spice mixes. I think they turned out really well. Got through all 50 packs I wanted to make, and I still have some ingredients left, so that is good. Breath. It's warm today. It's like 20 degrees right now. I just came inside, did some cleaning up out there. Me and Connor plotted out some of the gardens, and now I think I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair, everything, and then get ready for the night and just make dinner after and stuff like that. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning. We are back. It is Thursday morning, a little after 10:30. A little bit later start on the video, but have been doing other things. It's just been a little bit chaotic. Not even really that chaotic. Slept in a little bit, definitely nearing my period, so I'm like needing that extra sleep. Thankfully, Connor took Boop out for his little walk and then fed Topaz, had them both out, and then Topaz is starting this new thing where he like attacks me while I'm scooping his litter box. Does anyone have any experience with that? It's not like full on attacking, but he's sitting right beside me, and then today he just like straight up attacked my back. It's like pushed him off me, he kept trying to attack me again. I'm like, I'm scooping your poos, what do you want? So that's a new thing. And then my older cat, he's just been having some digestion issues, and we've been trying to get him into the vet, but they're really full here, and he was seen like before we left, and they thought it was probably like okay, maybe just constipated, and like now we're thinking it could be stress. But yeah, he's just been having like not accidents, but it's like on his fur because he's a really long-haired cat. And I noticed it today, and it's quite like hard and like crusted, so gross TMI. But got him in the shower, which he hated, but I knew like would be better in the end. Sorry, Aunt. Yeah, so got him in the shower. Thankfully, it was easier to like rinse him off here because we had a bath in the apartment and nothing could be closed, so he could just escape and like claw the shit out of me. But here in this, you can close the shower door. He can't escape, which is I know he's very stressed. But once he realized he was okay, like I was just spraying his butt with like warm water, nothing else, not his body or anything, and then tried to rinse off with a little soap and just did it until I got the stuff off of him. And then once he was clean, got him toweled and let him free, and then gave him a little churro because like that promotes it. And he's not scared of me right now, so I'm taking that as a good sign. He was still like hanging around with me after, and now he's up sleeping. So that I think might be more common as he gets older. Just gonna get in the hang of that. I haven't like had to take care of a senior cat. He's like borderline senior, like he's about to turn 10, so it's not like he's not old, but he's definitely older. So that's new. It was hard. Okay, but now, this morning, after that, we are going to start doing some like minor food prep for the actual house, not for the bakery or anything. We have some family coming to stay tomorrow, and we're definitely an ingredients household. So like we have no bread because I haven't made bread, like sliced sandwich bread. No bagels because I haven't made bagels, like things like that. So I'm like gonna do a few things like that so we have some things for when people are here. Probably make some cookie dough as well, and I was thinking potentially muffins too, just like easy snacks. And then I think we're gonna go get some groceries tonight, and I'll probably make a few like little salads to put in the fridge. I watched if you don't watch her, Acre Homestead, Becky, incredible, love her channel. She is so inspiring because she's, I think, a bit older than me, maybe it's similar age. That's totally just a guess based on like, I think she looks similar age as me, and I'm 28. But she has a homestead and does incredible like recipes, farming, like tutorials, everything, and she's just a very sweet soul. So yeah, definitely check her channel out if you like watching that kind of stuff. Acre Homestead, but she posted 4 new like four new like crave-worthy spring kind of summer salads, but they aren't like green lettuce salad or like pasta. It's like bean salad with like salami and like different stuff, and then there's one that's like chicken BLT salad, and there's like a chopped grinder salad that was like corn, beans, a bunch of different things like that. So try and pick a couple and then maybe make those. think probably tomorrow, just so they're fresher for longer. And then I'll just have that in the fridge, because then it's easier when you have like multiple people over to like, it's harder to figure out lunch. I mean, it's hard in general, but like when there's multiple people, it's even harder. So have something that's like easy for people to eat if they want to. If not, but yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do today. And I do need to edit my video for Sunday, and then would also like to get my video done for Wednesday too. So then hopefully I have time to edit my video for next Sunday before, because that is the day the market is. So there is a chance I might be delayed on posting my Sunday video. Really hoping not, but we'll see. Because next week is going to be all baking prep. So I feel like I'll be able to like edit in between baking. Like that might be a good downtime thing, but we'll see. We'll assess. So yeah, that's next week. Take you along for all that baking. So get ready. Let's make some dough though. Let's stop chatting.
This little guy. He's cute, but he's a little demon sometimes. Yes, you are. You just a kid, though. You just a kid. You just a baby. You just a baby.
Got the bagels rising. Oh wow, they're rising quick. The cinnamon sticks, it's for the ants. We're making some brown butter chocolate chip cookies over here. Brown butter sourdough chocolate chip cookies, I guess.
The day's cooling off and the sometimes cold. I lost faith in the world a long time ago.
All right, hello. We are back. The period is definitely starting. Not feeling great, so I think I'm just going to finish up the bagels and then call it for the day. So this will probably be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you know whether this is motivation for yourself, maybe it's just entertainment, maybe you're just curious, I appreciate you. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Pointing so much. Bye. Where's that other pen? Here. Yeah.
I was the bad everything's alright. She calls me back. She calls me back. Lost for a long too bad. Everything's alright when she calls me back. She calls me back. Look at me and don't you be yourself. Don't you hold your head up. Don't you too bad. She calls. I'm glad for sleep. You and me. Only I could wait. she calls me. So she calls me.
The shakes. Hand me down. Right to your blood.